To ICSE Help YouTube channel. Today the topic is ICSE Class 10 Physics Reduced Syllabus. ICSE Class 10 Physics Reduced Syllabus. Reduced syllabus. This syllabus has been reduced for 2021-22. 2021 and 22. The student which is appearing in 22 council exam of class 10, this video is helpful for them. First of all, you know that there is a reduction in the syllabus of ICSE class 10 physics, and students are much confused about their syllabus. What is include, what is exclude, what type of topic is cut down from chapter or fully chapter has been cut down. Then this video is for you. First of all, the first chapter is work, power, energy, force. The first chapter is force. In all publication of ICSE class 10 physics, in the force, all the topic is included. No any type of reduction is done in force. So with including numerical, including simple numerical, including simple numerical and derivation, simple numerical and derivation. The second topic is work, power and energy. Work, power and energy is the second chapter. In the second chapter, the syllabus is completed and all the chapter is included with derivation of efficiency formula. Derivation of efficiency formula. Mechanical advantage upon velocity ratio. The derivation of this formula has been included in this topic this year, and the verification of potential energy and kinetic energy sum at any stand is also included. The verification of free falling body that K plus U constant at any time, instant at any time. This formula is also derivation is also given in the 2022 exam syllabus. And third, the numerical of this chapter is also include simple numerical. And third topic of ICSE class 10 physics is machine. In machine, all the derivation of formula and other thing has been given. All the derivation of formula and other thing has been given, and simple numerical problem of pulley, mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, efficiency, and the mechanical advantage of less than 1 and greater than 1 is also included in this topic. The fourth chapter is refraction of light. The refraction of light is by plane is totally include. Reflection of light at plane totally include with numerical problem. So there is no reduction in this chapter, no reduction in force and no reduction in refraction of light. Two chapter is completely as according to your book. And the fifth chapter is refraction of light in lens. Refraction in lens. Refraction of light in lens. This chapter is important and no derivation of lens formula. Derivation of lens formula is excluded, not included in the syllabus. No need of derivation of formula. Derivation of lens formula. Lens formula is not included in 2022 board exam of council. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon u minus 1 upon v is not included. And the next chapter is spectrum or electromagnetic wave in some publication. Spectrum or electromagnetic wave. Spectrum is written in Concise and Selina, and electromagnetic wave is Goel brother. Electromagnetic wave. It is the same chapter and the name has been changed in Concise Selina spectrum and is Goel brother electromagnetic wave. In electromagnetic wave, all the topic include with use of X-ray, gamma ray and infrared, ultraviolet radiation and its use is also properties and source is also included in syllabus. Properties and source is also included in the syllabus for 2022. And the next chapter is sound. In sound there is 3 parts, A, B and C. All 3 parts it totally include. All 3 parts it totally include with numerical, with simple numerical problem. And the next chapter is electric current. Electric current. In electric current, the reduction has been done very minor. The numerical not more than 4 resistor, external resistor with 1 internal resistor. Only numerical of 4 external resistor and plus 1 internal resistor. This type of numerical is include. Maximum 4, not more than 4. Suppose that this is the resistance, 2 resistance, 3 resistance and 4 resistance. 4 resistance is maximum and 1 resistor is as internal resistance. This type of question is include not more than 4. Only 4 resistor is included in electric current. And the next topic after electric current is electromagnetism. This chapter has been reduction totally. Only the base and principle has been done in electromagnetism. Only the principle. In magnetism chapter, only the principle is in syllabus and no law is given, no any type of law, only principle, no law about electromagnetic electromagnetism. And the next point is household circuit. Household circuit. Household circuit. This chapter include all topic except diagram, figure, no figure of wiring, no figure of wiring. Wiring figure is excluded. Ring system or any other system, the wiring system is excluded, not in syllabus. And the calorimetry, heat chapter, calorimetry. This heat chapter is include many topic, specific heat, change of state, and in change of state only fusion only. First, there is two topic. First topic is specific heat, and this numerical specific heat, and the region of high specific heat of water is also included, and its application. And in second chapter, latent heat, its region of the water has highest latent heat and its application, and the change of form only solid to liquid, solid to liquid, and no liquid to gas, no gas to liquid, no liquid to solid, only solid to liquid. I means only fusion numerical is included, such that ice is melted into liquid. This type of numerical is included. And in next and last chapter, radioactivity in concise Selena and nuclear physics in Goel brother is also include, but no numerical problem, only study of alpha, beta and gamma radiation, and what is the effect in the nucleus after alpha, beta and gamma radiation has been done. Write the equation of this type. Suppose that A is a nucleus, and if X is emitted from A, then what is the nucleus of B contain? What is the atomic number and what is the atomic mass? And if beta is emitted and C, then what has the atomic number and what is the atomic mass of C? This type of numerical is include, but not include electron volt, energy. This type of numerical is not include. It is the syllabus. It was the syllabus of ICSE class 10 physics. And if you want to solve the exercise of concise Selena, Goel brother or any famous publication of ICSE class 10 physics, please visit icshelp.com to get the solution of latest edition. Thank you. Share it, like it.